All right, it's day two. Day two of the blizzard. All right, here's Faith in the blizzard. There's Luke. Throw it at him, Faith. Oh, it's a snowball fight. Don't hit her with the shovel.
Stop it.
I love you, Luke.
Did you hear that? On tape. Faith loves Luke.
Are you retarded?
Say it again. No, I have the camera on. Say it again.
I love you, Luke.
Shut up! You know what? You want a face full of snow? You want a face full of snow?
Push him down, Faith. Push him down.
You sound retarded.
My batteries are dying. My batteries are dying.
Wait.
I have to go recharge my batteries.
You want to chase me? Come on.
Go get him. Go get him, Faith. Go get him. Go get him. Go towards the Muslim trees. Those are our Muslim trees. Obviously, they have converted. Oh no, Luke is killing the terrorist. Convert them, Luke. Convert them. Faith, help him convert the trees. See, this is what it takes to get my kids outside away from the computers. Look how much they love each other. Look at the love in their eyes. We are family. I got all my sisters. And there's Jonah. Would you like to join in the snowball fight?
Yes.
Jonah's come to be part of the family. Here comes Jonah. Where did Luke go?
I thought he left.
Wait a minute, we have to get closer. Look at this. This is something to be documented. All three of my children are outside. Outside.
I was forced.
What a miracle. What a miracle has happened today. It's a miracle.
My whole freaking leg goes in the snow.
Maybe just do snow on my
It's a miracle. Come here. Look, come here. It's a miracle. All of our children are outside playing.
Did you clean all the snow out from underneath the thing?
Oh, he just put more snow on it.
Who did?
Luke did.
Why?
Because he didn't do it on purpose, but it's all covered again.
No, underneath the unit. Did you clean all the snow out from underneath?
Look at those big hand motions he uses. The unit.
Underneath?
Ooh, underneath the unit.
I'm coming.
Father obviously is not as impressed with the miracle of our children being outside play.
Okay.
Hey, I have a camera. Luke, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, don't touch my camera. Faith, where are you going?
It's snow in my boots.
Ooh! Burn! Oh, and I am here as well. I am out here. Hello. Hello to everyone. Hi.
I'm going to. I plugged it in. I mean, I hooked the hose up, Kelly.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back in 30 minutes and see if it did anything. Okay.
Talk dirty to me, baby.
Kelly.
Don't touch my camera. Hey, well, I have to go charge my batteries. Everyone say goodbye. Say goodbye, Faith.
Bye.
Hey. Goodbye, Jonah. Say goodbye. He didn't say goodbye. Don't you touch. Jonah Harris.